Hey all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're going to do a little bit of work on this Japanese maple. I saw this wire technique by Rohin Bonsai. I'm really sorry if I butchered that name, but I wanted to try this out today. Using two wires to wrap a branch, and then you split it off into one on each of the smaller branches, and I thought that was super cool, so I really wanted to give that a try today, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's get to it. Alright, so we just gotta get our wire real quick, and we're just gonna take it and make sure it's nice and tight and even running up and through here. And all I'm gonna do is just start from down at the base. There is some wire scarring running in this direction, so we're actually gonna take and wire in the opposite direction because of that. But I'm not planning on doing any bending down low. This is more or less so that I can get a good support and run this up as far as I can here. So this is super cool little technique, honestly. When I saw it, I was like, why would I never think of this? So I had to give it a shot. So at this point right here, I'm going to take this lower one and bring it up and around here. And I'm going to take the higher one and bring it around here. That way they're not crossing over each other. Absolutely phenomenal technique. Like, I love it. Yeah, let's give it one more. Alright, so now we got our one more in there. Don't mind Sylvester, he's just in here meowing his life away. So that wiring technique worked out really good here. I'm just going to run it up this one yet. Run one from here to there. And then I'm just going to run an individual wire that runs up to that one. So I'll speed that up a little bit, but let you watch it anyway. Alright, so the hard part is done now. Now we're just gonna begin to get a little bit of shape here. I do want that to turn over a little bit, just so that we can get that branch more off to the side. And then we can actually take and just twist this one and get that one off and over and into here. And this one's actually pretty good where it's at, with the exception of that one little branch right there. But we'll deal with that branch when it gets a little bit older. Or that might just become the new leader for it. I'm not sure yet. I'm not expecting too much out of here. Just to get here and then bring it up, because this will end up being our new apex here. So let's give it a little twisty twist as we come up. We're just gonna have to be more from down in this region. So now we're gonna take it, just bring it up. This little guy, we just want to bring down. Oh no, I broke that one. Well, I guess that sums up which one's gonna be the new leader for this top one here, because this branch is now gone. So I'll come in with my wire nippers and just cut the entire thing, because I don't want to ruin my good shears cutting the wire. So I'll just cut the branch with my wire snippers. Then we lost this little guy. That's unfortunate. Let's stick it in the ground and see if we can get it to grow from a cutting. That would be pretty sweet. Good comeback from that mistake right there. We'll let that little guy hopefully die back and stop right there and let this branch continue to grow. But that's about it. Let's check her out. All right, so I got my my two sponsors in this video right here. We got Bonsai Cornwell, we got Blue Nose Trading. I need to get a Bonsai Crazy and a Rohin Bonsai and not another bonsai channel. I need more stickers, guys. I need more stickers to cover my backdrop so I can have you all in my videos with me. That would be awesome. I should probably throw a Bobcat Bonsai sticker up there as well because I haven't put one of them up there. But that's beyond the point. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, you should subscribe to my channel. And if you really enjoy my content, you should hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.